Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. It's been some few days since I uploaded the last video about our Kikuyu lessons. Today we are going to learn some facts about the Kikuyu people. And first of all, I want to appreciate everyone who has always watched my videos, who is also learning what I brought on my channel, and even for those who've been commenting, sharing the videos, and of course subscribing to my channel. I highly appreciate that from you. I so much appreciate that, and without you people, I don't know where I would be. And that's why I'm here tonight for you, and I'm here to take you to the journey as we continue learning this beautiful tribe of Kikuyu. Now we're going to learn about eight facts about the Kikuyu people. Fact number one. Number one fact is Kikuyu is the most and the largest ethnic tribe, making 22% of the country, Kenya. That's our number one fact. It's the most popular tribe and the most largest, making a number of 22% of the country's population. Of the country population. Yes. Fact number two. Number two is Kikuyu are also known as Gikuyu or Agikuyu. So if you hear anybody saying Agikuyu or Gikuyu, just keep in mind they're talking about Kikuyu. Fact number three. Yes, Kikuyu speak the language Kikuyu. Just like any other tribe in Kenya, like we have Luo that speak Luo language, we have Maasai that speak Maasai language. That's the same thing with Kikuyu people or the Kikuyu tribe. They speak Kikuyu language. Now, fact number four. Number four is most of the Kikuyu live in places around the central province of Kenya. And with that, I mean the majority of the tribe in Kenya lives, the Kikuyu tribe lives in the central province of Kenya. Like you might know or have heard, we have 8 provinces in Kenya, and the central province of Kenya is the most highly populated with the Kikuyu people. The central province in Kenya, some of the towns that the Kikuyu live are namely Kiambu, Nyeri, Murang'a, Kirinyaga, and so on and so forth. Some of the Kikuyus also live in Nairobi. Nairobi is also mostly populated with Kikuyu people. Like you know, the central province of Kenya is directly neighboring Nairobi province, and I think that's why most of the Kikuyus also are in Nairobi as well. Now, fact number 5. Most of the Kikuyu people live in the fertile and the central highlands of Kenya, and also at the areas around Mount Kenya, where they grow mainly cash crops that involve that involve tea and coffee. most of the Kikuyu people live around the central highlands of Kenya, places around Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya is in Nyeri County, and this is where they live as well. And in those places, they are mostly known for growing the high or the most famous cash crops in Kenya, that is coffee and tea. Yes. Now, we are going to our fact number 6. Number 6. Now, like I said, they grow the coffee and tea. Most of the Kikuyu tribe people, most of the Kikuyus are traditionally agriculturalists. They practice a lot of farming. Since the colonial time, the Kikuyus have been known for farming. They have been known for growing cash crops and even other crops. And this is the major activity that has been going on since that time and up to now. Up to now, well, there have been some changes within the Kenyan tribe or the Kikuyu tribe, that most of the Kikuyus have gone into business, but agriculture still plays a major role in the Kikuyu tribe and in the Kikuyu community. So they've been continuing growing the Kenyan cash crops, that is tea and coffee, which is still exported to other Western countries. And being that tea is consumed in Kenya, that is what is left for the Kikuyus back home to enjoy. Yes. Now, we are now at fact number 8, our last fact. Well, the Kikuyu tribe has been dominating in the Kenyan, has been playing a major role in the Kenyan politics and also in the commerce department. The most famous person being Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, who was our first president in Kenya. And now, up to date, we still have we still have Uhuru Kenyatta, who is a son to the late Mzee Jomo Kenyatta. So the Kikuyu tribe has been playing a big role in the Kenyan politics. They have been domineering in the Kenyan politics since back then, since the beginning, since the gaining of our independence, and up to now, they are still in the Kenyan politics, domineering and also playing a very big role over there. And that brings us to the end of our facts of the Kikuyu tribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you also had some things to learn from my video, and I'm looking forward to see you soon. So I wish you all a good night. Relax, sleep well, and may God continue blessing you. Since next time, good night and goodbye.